Here is a wonderful 2021 Toyota RAV4. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. This can-do RAV4 puts fun, refined comfort, and capability into your daily drive. It delivers a solid, stable ride, spacious and convenient cabin, the latest infotainment and driver assistance tech, agile handling, and chiseled good looks. You'll love its clever cargo storage solutions, premium feel, and must-have fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, premium sound system, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Rugged yet refined and totally connected, this RAV4 strikes the perfect balance. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable and professional staff will make it the best part of your day.